Hello friends, welcome to DP Tutorials.
Please subscribe to DP Tutorials and click on the bell icon for notifications.
In this tutorial, let us see how to compare two cells based on their color in Excel. Let us consider this example where I have two data ranges of 2 months, January and February, for the color comparison. Now, in this tutorial, I will show you a VBA code which creates a user-defined formula called Colorcomparer, which gives the result as same when the color matches and result as change when the colors are different. Okay, now right click on the Sheet tab and click on View Code to go to the VBA editor window. Now from the menu bar, insert on module and click on module. Okay, this will create a new module here. Now copy the VBA code. I am mentioning the VBA code in the description for your ready reference. Copy this VBA code and paste it into the new module in the VBA editor window. Save it and go back to the Excel sheet. Now, in the cell H6, type the formula as equals to Colorcomparer, open the bracket, select the cell B6, comma, select the cell E6. Make a note of these two colors. B6 is having yellow color and E6 is having green color, which are not matching. Close the bracket. Now press enter and you will get the result as change, as both the colors are different, which are not matching. Okay. Now drag this formula to the next below cell and you will get the result as same, as the color of B7 and E7 is same, which is red color. Okay. Copy this formula and apply the same formula to all the cells in the data range and observe that the formula is working perfectly fine. It is very simple and awesome, right? So friends, this is all about how to compare two cells based on their color in Excel. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please do give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe to DP Tutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.